Do you want to speak English better? Do you feel nervous when you visit the doctor? Don't worry. Today, you will learn simple English words that you can use when you talk to a doctor. This story will teach you step by step. It is easy to understand. It is full of emotions, hope, sadness, struggle, and joy. Let's begin the journey. Let's learn English to care for our health and help our family. This is the story of Rani. Rani lives in a small village. She works hard every day. She is a kind mother and a loving wife. One day, her little son Amit starts to cough. Cough, cough, he cries. Rani puts her hand on his forehead. Oh no, she says. You have a fever. Vocabulary. Cough, when you make a noise from your throat because you are sick. Fever, when your body is too hot. Forehead, the front part of your head. Rani feels worried. Her heart is heavy. She doesn't know much English. But the doctor in the town only speaks English. She looks at her husband. We must take Amit to the doctor, she says. Her husband nods. They take a small bag, pick up Amit, and leave for the hospital. They reach the hospital. There are many people. Some are crying. Some are quiet. Rani feels scared. She goes to the nurse at the front desk. She wants to speak, but her voice is weak. I want to see a doctor, she says. Vocabulary. Nurse, a person who helps the doctor. Front desk, the place where you first speak to hospital staff. Doctor, a person who helps you when you are sick. The nurse smiles. What is the problem? She asks. Rani says slowly, My son has a fever and cough. The nurse writes something on a paper. Please wait. The doctor will see you soon, she says. After 30 minutes, the nurse calls. Next, please. Rani and her family enter the room. The doctor looks kind. He wears a white coat. Vocabulary. White coat, the clothes that doctors wear. Patient, the sick person who visits the doctor. The doctor asks, What is the patient's name? Rani replies, Amit. The doctor writes it down. Then he asks, What are his symptoms? Rani thinks. She remembers the words. He has a fever, cough, and he feels weak. Vocabulary. Symptoms. The signs that show you are sick. Weak, when you don't have energy. The doctor checks Amit. He touches his forehead. He uses a tool to listen to his chest. Vocabulary. Check up, when the doctor looks at your body. Chest, the front part of your body below the neck. Listen, the doctor uses a stethoscope to hear your breathing. He has a chest infection, the doctor says. He needs medicine and rest. Vocabulary. Infection, when germs make you sick. Medicine, the thing you take to feel better. Rest, to sleep or lie down and do nothing. Rani feels sad, but also calm. The doctor gives her a prescription. Vocabulary. Prescription, a paper that tells you which medicine to buy. Rani walks to the pharmacy. She gives the paper to the man there. Vocabulary. Pharmacy, the place where you get medicine. The man gives her syrup and tablets. Vocabulary. Syrup, liquid medicine. Tablet, a small round medicine you swallow. Give him the syrup 2 times a day, he says. Give 1 tablet at night. Rani thanks him. She feels stronger now. She can speak English. She can help her son. At home, Rani takes care of Amit. She gives him medicine. She checks his fever every hour. One night, his fever is high. Rani cries. She feels helpless. Vocabulary. Helpless, when you don't know what to do. Cry. Tears fall from your eyes when you are sad. She prays. Please God, make my son healthy again. But she does not give up. She remembers the doctor's words. She follows the prescription. After 5 days, Amit's fever is gone. He smiles again. He runs in the garden. He laughs. Rani smiles too. Tears come to her eyes, but this time they are happy tears. Vocabulary. Tears, water that comes from your eyes. Happy tears, crying because of joy. She hugs Amit. You are my strong boy, she says. Rani feels proud. She used English. She talked to the doctor. She helped her son. Now, she wants to learn more. Rani goes to an English class in her village. She studies every day. She learns more health words. Vocabulary. Pain, when your body hurts. Allergy, when your body reacts badly to something. Bleeding, when blood comes out. Emergency, a very serious situation. Rani learns to say, My child has pain in the stomach. I need help. It's an emergency. Please call an ambulance. He is allergic to peanuts. She also learns kind words like, Thank you, doctor. Please help me. I feel better now. Rani helps her neighbors when they go to the hospital. She speaks English for them. She gives them hope. Message to the listener. Dear listener, did you feel the emotions in Rani's story? She was afraid. She was sad. But she did not stop. She learned English. She saved her child. And she grew strong. You can do it too. Learn one word each day. Practice with your heart. Use English to care for yourself and your family. Every word you learn is power. Every sentence you speak brings you closer to your dream. If you have learned a single word from this video, then like the video, share the video and hit the subscribe button, because it will help me a lot to make more videos for you. Thank you. Take care of you.